Hi, I'm Nort Beckerman, author of A User's Guide to a Healthy Brain. Did you know that you have a new brain? Well, sort of. You still have the same brain you were born with, but the way it develops and functions is much different than anyone ever imagined. The internal structure of the brain you have today is much different than the brain you had when you were a kid, even a young adult. Actually, it's different than the brain you had last year, last month, or last week. That's because the internal structure of your brain is constantly changing in response to what you do and don't do. They call it plasticity. Your eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin are sensors that transmit information back to your brain. Your brain has been recording the information it's been receiving since you were born and making a map of it all. Transmissions made together are located together so that they describe behavioral sections. The more you do something, the more information you receive and the bigger the map section recorded, the better you get. That's why we practice. If you receive information from two sensors at the same time, like your eyes and ears, the map section that's recorded will be bigger and stronger than if received from a single sensor. If you do something infrequently, your brain map will only show it as a small section, and your skill in that area will probably be limited. Your brain map reflects how information is stored and how your blood is distributed to tissues and cells. The law of plasticity causes information to be stored according to importance. The more you do or use something, the bigger the section on the map, and the more important it is. The less you do something, the smaller it gets and the less important it is. The bigger the map section, the more blood it draws. The smaller the section, the less blood it draws. If it gets too small, it might not draw any blood at all and eventually disappear. You know the saying, use it or lose it. I'm Nort Beckerman. I'll see you next time for a brain healthy moment.